Everybody, this is Mrs. Yolich, and you are watching a video tutorial on how to copy and paste images on a slide. So what you have to do is you have to do a response to literature visual art. So this slide right here, you will have access to this slide. It's going to have instructions and you get to pick one response to literature. You could either do a collage, you can do a 3 colors, or you could do a dialogue cartoon. So this video today that I'm about to show you is how do you copy and paste pictures for the collage and for the dialogue cartoon. So we're going to be working on number 1, the collage part, and also number 3, the dialogue cartoon. All right, so I'm going to hit escape. So what I'm going to do right now is show you the finished product. So this is a finished product of the collage. This is an example collage. And what I did was I copy and pasted 3 images. All right, so I'm going to show you how I did this slide. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to click the plus sign, and then it's going to give you a blank slide. So as you can see, it already created kind of like a template for you, and all you have to do is type in to the text boxes if you want. But what I'm going to do is I actually don't like these boxes, so I want to get rid of these boxes. So I click on it and then I just hit the delete key. If I can find it, there it is, delete. Let's see. Nope, that didn't work. Why didn't it not work? Okay, so let's try it again. I'm going to hit delete. Yes, there you go. So don't be afraid of technology. So sometimes if it doesn't go your way, what's neat about Google Slide is that it does have an undo button. So say for example, you made a mistake. There's an undo button that you can do. And here it is right here. That's the undo button. So if I click undo, it just goes back to the original format. But I really don't want these right now because I'm trying to add the 3 photos or the 3 images. All right, so what I did was I opened up a different tab and I searched for the pictures, and what I typed was dope art pics, and then this is what came up. So say for example, I'm gonna use this one right here. So you click on the image. Oh, where did it go? There it is. And then what you're going to do is you're going to right click. So I don't have a mouse today, so I'm just using this little pad, which is, I guess it's also a finger mouse pad. So what you're going to do is you're going to right click on it, and then you're going to copy the image, and then you're going to go back and open up your Google Slide, and then let's see, and then again right click so you can paste the image. So right click, and let's see if I can paste the image. There you go. So I pasted my image, and I think it's taking up too much space, so I'm going to shrink it. So what I'm going to do to shrink it is that I'm going to grab it from the edge, and then I'm going to hold the left. And as I'm holding the left of my mouse pad, I'm going to move my other free finger and try and shrink it. And as you can see, there it is. It kind of shrank. And I'm going to move it. And then I'm going to go back to my open tab. And then I'm going to pick 2 other pictures that I feel are also related to that topic. Here you go. Here's one that I recognize. So same thing. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to go back to my slide. I'm going to paste it. Paste. All right, there you go. Make sure that you don't forget to type the reason why you chose those pictures. So this is an example of a dialogue cartoon. So it's not a traditional cartoon, because traditionally you would draw the cartoon, but because we're working with Google Slides and we're just copying and pasting pictures, you don't need to draw anything unless you really want to draw something. Then that would be a different application. So for this example, what I did was I looked for a picture of two celebrities and then I just gave them dialogue boxes. And for this example, I had picked Lizzo. So what I did, I just kind of Googled Lizzo talking, and that's what I found, that picture that you see on that slide. Here it is. All right, so it is Azalea Banks and Lizzo. So I used that for my dialogue cartoon. So it's the same process where you copy and paste the picture. But what I did was I added these dialogue boxes. So I'm going to show you how do you add the dialogue boxes. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to click the plus sign. So a couple things I'm going to show you guys. First thing is I want to change the background into that light purple that you see right there. So how do you do that? So I'm going to go to slide. I'm going to hit change background, and then I'm going to look for the color, which is this light purple up here, and then I'm going to hit done. So there you go, that's my slide. And then I'm going to go back to that picture of Lizzo and Azalea Banks, and then I'm going to right click, I'm going to copy the image, I'm going to go back to my slide, and then I'm going to right click again, I'm going to paste. All right, so I'm going to move them in the middle, kind of. All right, there they are. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to add the dialogue boxes. So to do that, you're going to go to this icon right here. This is your shape icon. You click on shape, and then you click on something called call outs. And at the very bottom, they give you 4 options. So I'm going to pick this option, and then you see the plus sign. So what you're going to do is you're going to create the size of your dialogue box. So what I'm doing with my hand is I'm holding the left. If you don't have a mouse, I'm holding the left, and then I'm using my free finger to kind of like make the shape and the size go big, go down, go to the side and up. So I think I'm done. I think I like this size right here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take where it says there's a yellow diamond, so you can take that and then you can actually point it to your character and release. And then if I want to change the color of this dialogue box, so I'm gonna go right here where it says fill color, and then I'm gonna change it into this blue right here. There you go. Come on, blue. So now you get to type in your text. All right, so that's just a little example. I know it's gibberish. And then I'm gonna do the same thing for Azalea Banks. So I'm gonna go again to shapes. I'm gonna go to call outs. I'm gonna go to the bottom. This time I wanna use the shape right here. And then I'm gonna hold my key, and then I'm gonna draw my box. I mean my call out. I'm gonna click on the yellow. So hopefully this video tutorial, you were able to see some examples on how to just copy and paste images and paste it on a slide, and also create dialogue boxes and change the colors and the backgrounds. All right, you guys, so I am looking forward to your work. And if you have any questions, just don't forget to email any of your teachers or pose a question on the Google Classroom stream. Good luck, and that's it for me. See you.